I'm Janine Santo. When I came into the office here, I was presenting with chronic headaches, fibromyalgia, and TMJ regularly. I was wearing a bite guard and lack of good sleep. I was wearing a bite guard regularly. I was taking a lot of pain medication for the headaches.
Yeah.
I just wasn't sleeping good, wasn't, having an active lifestyle because I was always doing something to mitigate a pain of some sort. I have had an extremely noticeable difference in the amount of headaches that I've had. I've had maybe one this entire time that I've been coming. I have not been wearing my bite guard during the day for my TMJ. I still out of habit wear it most nights, but that's more of a habit than a necessity at this point. I'm getting a better quality of sleep. I do my little sleep tracker. It is telling me, and I am noticing that I am getting more regular deep sleep, which makes for a better day and a brighter day and an easier day because I'm not tired all the time. It's not going to hurt to try it.
Yeah.
Anything that you can do, especially if you tried a lot of other different things, there's no point in not trying. If you don't try, you'll never know.